Every time you close your eyes, a great journey into the unknown begins. The smoke produced during fire contains such a huge amount of toxic substances that only 3 breaths are enough to cause a sleeping man to lose his consciousness. Where there are challenges, we look for solutions. Our ideas take shape under the guidance of the best professionals. We are committed to a state where the fire protection system in each home will be as obvious as seatbelts in a car. We developed a simple configuration mechanism. By implementing wireless networking, we have expanded the capabilities of the system of event recording function and capability of working in a network with a high number of devices. All this is handled by a simply designed application. We create our devices to never fail. Our devices are manufactured in Germany, and the process of their creation from beginning to end is covered by a rigorous control. Every night, our technology ensures a peaceful night's sleep for millions of people. It's a great success and a reason to be proud, but it's not the end of our mission. We meet the highest safety standards, which guarantees up to 12 years of continuous operation, timeless design, camouflage mode, and a whole range of unique designs. This is the essence of the natural needs for quality and visionary innovation. We secure millions of homes, and we feel responsible for each of them. What are we aiming for? To protect your life.